Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to turn on without power button on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, first of all, let's power off our smartphone. From here, let's power off our smartphone. Now once your smartphone is completely powered off, just plug in your smartphone to the charger and then press and hold the volume down button. Now let's do this. Let's plug in our smartphone to the charger and let's press and hold the volume down button on our smartphone. Just like that. Now as you can see, the Vivo repair system has appeared on the screen. Just tap on restart. Now just select OK. Now just wait for a few seconds for your smartphone to power on. Now as you can see, we have successfully turned on our smartphone without using the power button. And this is how you can turn on without power button on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.